Hey guys, thanks for checking out our clean meal plan. Right now I'm going to walk you through the basics of what comes with the clean meal plan. It will come in a package similar to this one, and if you want to check out an unboxing, we have that video below as well. In the package for the clean meal plan, you'll get what we consider general clean eating. It tends to be high in protein, lower in carbohydrate, but still with higher carbohydrates than something like paleo, and includes what we consider some healthy carbohydrates like brown rice or rice pasta or various other things along those lines. I've got a meal in the tray here as well as a meal on the plate, and I'll kind of walk you through what else is included in the clean meal plan itself. This particular meal is a limey bean salad with eggplant and dill aioli with a chicken kebab. This actually looks amazing with the aioli on it. The meal on the back will have the nutrition information, all of the macronutrients, as well as the ingredients themselves and the cooking instructions. You'll recognize all of the ingredients on the actual meal plan itself because we don't use any preservatives. Everything is cooked fresh and shipped fresh in our vacuum seal containers directly to your door nationwide. We have free shipping all over the country. And here's an example of some of the food on an actual plate itself. This is a different meal. This happens to be a chicken thigh with some chickpeas and various different vegetables like Brussels sprouts, etc. mixed in. This one also smells delicious, I can promise you, and is going to be a fantastic meal. All of our food, whether it's the clean meal plan or any other meal plans, is 100% USDA organic, gluten, dairy, and soy free. Those are the main allergens we run across, as well as wild-caught and grass-fed proteins and animal welfare level 5. What animal welfare level 5 means is the animals lived on the same farm their entire lives. They had indoor-outdoor access. They were able to eat grass and live the lives that you would consider normal for a farm animal. It's essentially the opposite of factory farming. With wild-caught and grass-fed proteins, they actually have a different protein to fat ratio that's usually higher in protein and lower fat, and the fat that is found in grass-fed and wild-caught proteins tends to be better with the omega-6 to omega-3 ratio. The clean meal plan is the one I eat personally and is very easy to stick to for the long term. Like our other meal plans, you can order 1 meal a day for 7 days a week, 2 meals a day, 5 days a week. It's really up to you to decide how many meals you want in each weekly shipment. You can also do bi-weekly shipments, shipments every 3 weeks, or even shipments once a month if you don't need food as often. All of our food can stay fresh in the fridge for up to 2 weeks in the containers and up to 6 months if you do decide to freeze it. Ultimately, because we ship weekly, we recommend that most people get the minimum amount of food they need for the week, and it ships to them as fresh as possible once per week. All of our shipments arrive on Friday nationwide, no matter where you're located. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our customer service via chat, phone, email, or social media, and we'd be happy to answer them for you. Thanks, guys.